Hey, we're at the Puppy Cafe in Busan. Why don't you take a look around? It's pretty cool.
You can come and you pay a fee to come in, and then you get a coffee out of it, and then you can pet as many puppies as you want. They're so cute, some of them. They just let a big golden retriever in here. The kids are loving the puppies. This little guy is cute.
Yeah. Oh my god.
They had a little Dalmatian in here too. It was really, really cute. He was really rambunctious. I've got cats too. It's the trend in Korea to dye their cats' fur, which is so bizarre. So yeah, that's the Puppy Cafe. I found two friends. I have a video. It's cute.